This tiny pocket device can create a complete digital blueprint of your room just by walking around it. And believe it or not, that's not even the most impressive tool on today's list. Let's get started. Tool 1, MOER LX1 Room Scan. Ever wasted hours measuring a room with a tape measure? The MOER LX1 changes everything. Just walk around the space and its smart sensors automatically map every wall, corner, and elevation change with impressive accuracy. By the time you're done, you'll have a professional CAD file or PDF ready to share with clients. It's like carrying an entire surveying team in your pocket. But if that saves time, wait until you see how the next tool repairs drywall in seconds.
Drywall repairs are usually messy and frustrating, but mud plugs make them ridiculously simple. Just push one into a damaged hole and it locks securely behind the drywall while creating a perfectly flush surface. No cutting, no backing blocks, no complicated prep work. Add compound and you're done. It's one of the fastest wall repair solutions we've ever seen. Up next, a drilling tool that practically eliminates human error.
Drilling a perfectly straight hole by hand isn't easy. That's where the SPEZEN Tool 3 comes in. This portable drill press uses dual guide rails to keep every hole accurate and straight. It even features a smart depth display and intelligent torque control for precision work. It's like carrying workshop-grade machinery right to the job site. And speaking of making hard jobs easier, check out this next innovation.
Moving heavy glass, stone, or drywall can destroy your back. The GRABO roller transforms your vacuum lifter into a smooth, rolling transport system. Instead of carrying heavy materials, you simply suction, tilt, and roll them with one hand. One hand. It reduces strain, improves control, and makes handling large panels surprisingly easy. But the next tool is even smarter. It adapts to almost any fastener instantly.
Tired of searching for the right socket size? The Sole Universal Socket replaces an entire set with one tool. Inside are dozens of spring-loaded steel pins that automatically mold around nuts, bolts, hooks, and even damaged fasteners. Just press, twist, and go. Compact, versatile, and perfect for any toolbox. Up next is a tiny plumbing tool that replaces bulky equipment.
Plumbing in tight spaces can be a nightmare. That's why the superior tool PLUGZ Pocket Crimper is so useful. This compact device lets you crimp PEX rings using ordinary locking pliers instead of carrying large specialized tools. It fits in your pocket and makes quick plumbing repairs incredibly convenient. But wait until you see this modular screwdriver masterpiece. The MAKERPI tie driver isn't just a screwdriver. It's a modular multi-tool. It quickly transforms from a T-handle driver into a standard screwdriver or ratcheting tool. Powerful magnets keep bits secure, while built-in storage keeps everything organized. The precision machine design feels premium and incredibly satisfying to use. But every great tool needs great lighting, and this next gadget delivers exactly that. Most work lights create annoying shadows exactly where you need visibility. The SELELY LED twist light solves that problem brilliantly. Its powerful light bar rotates a full 360 degrees independently from the magnetic base. Just attach it to any metal surface and point the light exactly where you need it. It's a simple idea that makes a huge difference. And speaking of awkward workspaces, check this out.
Working around obstacles with a standard wrench can be incredibly frustrating. These WORKPRO flex head ratcheting wrenches feature a pivoting head that reaches angles ordinary wrenches simply can't. Combined with a smooth ratcheting mechanism, they make fast work of bolts in tight spaces. Less struggle, less wasted time, more productivity. Up next is a painter's dream tool.
Painting doors is a slow process because you're usually forced to wait for one side to dry before flipping it over. The HINGE stand kit completely changes that. It holds multiple doors upright in a stable zigzag pattern, allowing both sides to be painted far more efficiently. For professionals, that means finishing jobs faster and freeing up valuable workspace. But if you hate cleanup, you'll love this next invention.
Drywall sanding is one of the messiest jobs in construction. The GOLDBLATT dust-free hand sander tackles that problem head-on.
Connect it to a shop vacuum and it captures dust before it spreads through the room. Cleaner air, less cleanup, and a much more comfortable work environment. But drywall isn't the only material that can cause headaches. Anyone who uses hole saws knows how annoying it is to remove a stuck wood plug. The LENOX speed slot solves that problem with a clever side slot design. Simply insert a screwdriver and pop the plug out in seconds. No prying, no frustration, just faster, smoother cutting. And now for an impact driver that breaks the mold.
Most impact drivers strike twice per rotation. The METABO HPT triple hammer does it 3 times. That unique design delivers faster driving speeds, smoother operation, and significantly less vibration. The result is more power, better control, and less fatigue during long work days. But if you work with electrical wiring, this next tool is pure magic. Standard zip ties eventually crack and fail outdoors. Stainless steel ties are far stronger, but they're difficult to install correctly. That's where the ICRIMP stainless steel zip tie tool comes in. It tightens metal ties securely and trims them perfectly flush in one smooth motion. The result is a clean, professional finish every time. And next, a mechanic's secret weapon. Few things are more frustrating than a rusted bolt that refuses to budge. The MAYHEW pneumatic bolt breaker attacks the rust using powerful vibration instead of brute force. Attach it to an air hammer, place it over the fastener, and let the tool do the work. What could take an hour can often be solved in seconds. But what if the screw is already stripped? A stripped screw can stop a project dead in its tracks. The NOVOARE extractor set brings it back to life. First, drill a small pilot hole, then flip the bit and use the extractor side to remove the damaged screw. Simple, fast, and incredibly effective. Up next is a tool built for microscopic precision. Tiny screws require serious precision. The Global Universal Screwdriver Kit was originally designed for delicate dental applications. That level of precision makes it perfect for electronics, watches, and intricate repairs. Its precision-machined tips provide exceptional grip and control, where mistakes aren't an option. Now, let's move back to heavy-duty work. Traditional pipe pliers can be slow and awkward to adjust. The LAOA Rapid Pipe Pliers feature a one-handed push-button adjustment system that instantly changes jaw size. Aggressive gripping teeth lock onto pipes and fittings securely, without slipping. It's a modern upgrade to one of the workshop's most trusted tools. And here's another plumbing lifesaver. Crimping PEX connections in tight corners is never easy. The ICRIMP Angle Head PEX tool solves that problem with a clever 45-degree offset design. It reaches spaces where traditional crimpers simply can't fit. A built-in gauge also helps verify every connection for added confidence. But this next tool handles something much larger. Moving a grand piano is one of the most difficult jobs in the moving industry. The Easy Tilt grand piano stand makes the process dramatically safer and more controlled. It supports the piano securely while allowing movers to tilt and transport it with far less effort. A specialized solution for an incredibly challenging task. And finally, let's look at a machine built for productivity. For bakeries and food businesses, consistency is everything. The BISMACH Pro automatically deposits thousands of perfectly shaped cookies every hour. It delivers industrial-level production while remaining compact enough for smaller operations. More output, less labor, and remarkably consistent results.